Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our today's maths class. Chapter number 9, Area of Plane Figures, Part 5 of Class 8. In the previous video students, we have finished the problems of exercise 9.2 and now we are going to discuss the further problems. Let us first see the question. See here students, in the homework you have done till this 7th one. Now I am going to start this 8th question. See the first question in 8th one. 4 equal circles, each of radius A, touch one another. Find the area between them. And next question is 4 equal circles are described about the 4 corners of a square so that each circle touches 2 of the others. Find the area of the space enclosed between the circumferences of the circles, each side of square measuring 24 centimeter. Here two questions are there. First question is 4 equal circles, each of radius A, touch one another. Here we have to draw 4 circles like this, and radius of each circle is small a, and find the area between them. So here we have to find the area between them, nothing but like this shaded part we have to find students. So for this also the same diagram as 6th one. So let us find the first question. So this is the solution of 8th one of exercise 9.2. First here we have to draw the 4 circles, and in those 4 circles here we are drawing one square, and this shaded region whatever I have done here, that we have to find, nothing but area of this shaded region we have to find students. This is small a, nothing but here radius of the circle already it is given small a, so take small a here also. And now the side of this square is a plus a 2a, and here also a plus a 2a. So now first what I am writing means, in the solution the side of a square ABCD is AB equals to BC, CD, DA equals to a plus a. Nothing but here we have to find AB, BC, CD, DA, and those are sum of these two a. This is also sum of a plus a, this is also a plus a, and this is also a plus a. Hence here I am writing all equals to a plus a 2a units. Nothing but here side of square is 2a units. Now so here first what we have to do in the solution students means, we have to find the area of this square, and then you have to find the area of each sector. Here 4 sectors are forming. This is first sector, this is second sector, this is third sector, and this is fourth sector. And then lastly we have to subtract the area of whole square minus area of 4 sectors. Let us first find area of square and area of 4 sectors. So what is area of square students? It is side into side, and we have got the side of square is 2a. Hence we can do here 2a into 2a. That's why I am doing side into side is equals to 2a into 2a. Here 2a into 2a will be 4a square, that is square units. And now the area of square is 4a square. Let us find area of sector. So here I am writing in the figure there are 4 equal sectors. What is sector students? It is one section like this of a circle. So here we are having 4 sectors, those are 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 sectors, and we are finding area of each sector. So angle of sector is 90 degrees. Here we have to understand the angle. See here, this angle is 90 degrees, hence we are taking here 90 degree. And area of sector we are finding now. So area of sector formula is x by 360 into pi r square. So here x value nothing but this sector, angle of sector value students, this angle we have to take 90 by 360 into pi r square. R, what is r value student? Here in the question already it is given small a, so take here small a, pi a square. 90 by 360 into pi a square, 90 1 za and 90 4 za. So this will be pi a square by 4. Nothing but the area of sector is pi a square by 4. We have got now area of square as well as area of sector. Let us do the subtraction. So next we have to find, students, area of 4 sectors. Why? Because here 4 sectors are there. We have found the area of one sector as pi a square by 4. Now we are finding area of 4 sectors, that is 4 into pi a square by 4. Now this 4 and 4 get cancelled, remained is pi a square. Nothing but area of 4 sector is pi a square. Now let us find area of shaded region. So like this we will find area of shaded region is equals to area of square minus area of 4 sectors. Why we are doing, students, here? To find this area of shaded region, we have to first write area of this square and then we have to subtract the area of these 4 sectors from this. Then you will get the middle value. That's why I am doing here area of shaded region is equals to area of square minus area of 4 sectors. Now what is area of square? We have got, that is 4a square, and area of 4 sector we have got, student, pi a square. So here I am writing 4a square minus pi a square. From these two we can take a square common. So write a square outside and take the bracket. Now it is 4 minus pi. Here 4 is remained, so write 4. Here minus is there, write minus, and here pi is remained, write pi. It is 4 minus pi. Now take the pi value. This we have already discussed. What is the pi value, students? It is 22 by 7. So take here 22 by 7, 4 minus 22 by 7. Now we have to do the subtraction here. So multiply this 7 with 4. You will get here 7 4s are 28. 28 minus 22 divided by 7. So 28 minus 22 is 6. So a square into 6 by 7. Now in the last we can write 6 into a square is 6a square by 7. This is the area of shaded region. Hence the area of this shaded region is 6a square by 7. Like this we have to find. Next, see here, students, this is the second question. 4 equal circles are described about the 4 corners of a square so that each circle touches 2 of the others. Find the area of space enclosed between the circumference of the circle, each side of the square measuring 24 centimeter. What does it mean? Means here 4 circles are there, and in that 4 circles one square is enclosed, and we have to find the area of this shaded region, whereas the square side is given 24 centimeter, students. Nothing but a plus a, to a value is given 24. From this we will find the value of a is equals to 24 by 2. This 2 will come this side and it will become 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 12s are. Therefore a value is 12 centimeter. Nothing but here the radius of these sectors, that is a value, is 12 centimeter. Let us substitute this a value in the area of this shaded region. In the previous question we have found the area of this shaded region. What is the area, students? It is 6a square by 7. So this is the area of shaded region, and substitute here a value 12. So we will get 6 into 12 square by 7. 12 square is 144 and 6 into 144 is 864 by 7 square units. You can do it in points also. This is the solution of 8th one, students. Your today's homework is this 9th one and 10th one. By this we have finished this chapter, students. Today's section is over.